Hello, everyone. My name is Dallin Einach. I am a web developer major, emphasizing in development. Currently living in Rockville, Maryland, working as a software developer in Arlington, Virginia. So I take the metro um, twice a week to go to work, and then I work from home the other days. Um, I am a senior here, so I'll be graduating spring of 2020. I'm taking less credits because I'm working. I also have a newborn. He's 6 months old now, and I've been married for 2 years. So I have a lot on my plate, so I'm not able to take as many credits as I would like. Um, yeah, after graduation, I plan on either staying here if I can land a job with the company I'm at. They said it depends on whether or not they have any openings. If not, I'm probably going to move down to Raleigh area of North Carolina and start there because I'm originally from Texas. So I'd like to stay somewhere in the South, preferably because it's a different world being up here in DC. Um, Hobbies and interests, I guess I like sports. So I'm a big football fan, big baseball fan. So right now I've been watching a lot of football since that's up. I like to go outside, go on hikes and things like that. Otherwise, yeah, I like to code and work on personal projects and hang out with my family and everything. But other than that, yep, that's about it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope y'all have a great semester.